In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snipping Tool not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first, and that is to restart the Snipping Tool. So to do this, don't just go ahead and click on the cross here. We want to go ahead and end task in Task Manager. So click in the Task Manager. Then from here, find your snipping tool, and then right click it, end task, and then restart the program. Now we can go ahead and use a shortcut instead. So on your Windows key, click on Windows Shift and S at the same time, and that's going to go ahead and open up the snipping tool just like this. Now another fix what we can try is go ahead and repair or reset the snipping tool. So to do this, we need to open up settings. So type in settings. Once we're inside settings, on the left hand side we want to find apps. Click onto that, and then to the right click on installed apps, search for snipping tool. So I'm going to type in snip. There it is there. So click on the three dots, get into advanced options, then basically scroll down here and you can repair apps if they're not working properly. So we can reset it. So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair the app's data won't be affected. So go ahead and click on repair. If the app still isn't working right, we can reset it. The app's data will be deleted though, so click on reset. Now if you still having issues, go ahead and uninstall it and then re-download and install it.